The paradigm Veo can administer both basal and bolus insulin. But what's the difference? Basal is pumped continuously to cover your insulin needs between meals and at night. You can even set multiple basal rates to accommodate your lifestyle, or adjust basal rates temporarily, depending on your activity levels. Bolus insulin covers your mealtime insulin needs and can also help you to lower elevated blood glucose. Your healthcare provider will help you to determine what your basal and bolus rates should be. The express bolus function on the paradigm Veo allows you to administer bolus insulin by pressing the B button. If you are not using the bolus wizard, use the up and down arrows to adjust your bolus, then press Act. If you are using the bolus wizard, it will give you a helping hand by suggesting an appropriate bolus using your preset information. Should you decide to cancel a bolus in the middle of a bolus delivery, you can do so by pressing the Act button. Scroll to Suspend and then press Act again. At this point, the paradigm Veo will halt delivery of basal and bolus insulin. To resume insulin delivery, press Act. You may need to visit the pump status screen to see how much of your bolus was delivered prior to suspension. To set your basal rates, press the Act button to open the main menu. Scroll down to the basal menu. Press Act, then scroll down to Basal Setup and press Act again. When Set Edit Basal is highlighted, press Act and you will be asked to set your first basal rate using the up and down arrows. You can enter a total of 8 basal rates over a 24-hour period. To review your basal rates and times, scroll to Basal Review, then press Act. Use the up and down arrows to view all basal rates you have set. You may find during the day, due to changes in exercise, activity, or illness, that you need a temporary basal rate. To set a temporary basal rate, scroll to Set Edit Temp Basal in the Basal menu and press Act. You will then need to set the duration of time you would like your temporary basal rate to operate for by using the up and down arrows and then pressing Act. Once you have set the time duration, select the units per hour using the up and down arrows and pressing Act again. To cancel a temporary basal rate, scroll to Cancel Temp Basal and press Act. For your safety, the Paradigm Veo allows you to set up missed bolus reminders. To activate this feature, scroll to Bolus Setup, then press Act. Scroll to Missed Bolus Reminder, select On, and then press Act once more. You can add up to 4 missed bolus reminders during a 24-hour period by scrolling to Add Reminder and then pressing Act. Using your scroll buttons, enter a start time and then an end time, pressing Act after each. To delete a reminder, scroll to Delete Reminder and press Act. Highlight the reminder you would like to delete and press Act again. To review all missed bolus reminders, scroll to Review Reminders and press Act. The Bolus Wizard calculator helps you automatically calculate boluses. Using your preset information, it does the math for you, making it easier than ever to estimate an accurate dose for good control. To turn on the Bolus Wizard, scroll to Bolus Wizard Setup and press Act. Scroll down to Edit Settings and press Act again. You will now see Bolus Wizard On or Off. Highlight On, then press Act. You will then need access to the following information: your carbohydrate to insulin ratio or carbohydrate exchanges, your blood glucose target, your insulin sensitivity factor, and your active insulin duration. Once you have entered all 4 values, pressing Act after each one, the Bolus Wizard setup will be complete. Remember, you should never program your Bolus Wizard without first discussing these 4 figures with your healthcare team. It is important you understand exactly what they all mean. With the Bolus Wizard, you are able to perform a correction bolus, a meal bolus, and a combination bolus, which is a meal and correction bolus at the same time. To use the Bolus Wizard to administer a bolus, scroll to Bolus Wizard and press Act. Use the up and down arrows to select your finger-stick blood glucose measurement, then press Act again. If you decide not to enter a finger-stick measurement, just press Act. The Bolus Wizard will now ask you for your food estimate in carbohydrate grams or exchanges. Enter this using the up and down arrows, then press Act. You will now be given an estimate detail, which reveals the estimated amount of insulin to be administered, a review of the food intake, your blood glucose level, the food you're currently eating and the insulin needed to cover the meal, and a recommended correction bolus if needed. If you decide to adjust the bolus estimation, use the up and down arrows and then press Act. Should you decide to use the bolus wizard recommendation, just press Act. If you use your Paradigm Veo in conjunction with a Bayer contour link meter, blood glucose readings will be sent automatically from your meter to your Paradigm Veo. To add a Bayer contour link meter, scroll to the Utilities menu, then press Act. Scroll to Connect Devices, then press Act again, and select Meters. You will now be asked if you would like your meter option off or on. Scroll down to On, then press Act. Next, you will need to add the ID number of your Bayer contour link meter. After entering each number with the scroll buttons, press Act. Whenever you check your blood glucose with your Bayer contour link meter, it will now automatically send your reading to your Paradigm Veo.